Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with Suvrat, and in this video I'll be teaching you what is pip. So I've just renamed the file as demo1.py. If video I just linked in the I button, and if you want to check out the last video of Python I made, you can again see it over here in the I button. So there was a link in the description of that video how to download Python. So right now what you need to do is you need to go to Python. You need to select Python, and then save this. Then put a normal print statement. Either you can just put the normal print statement or open terminal. Okay, so now what I'm going to tell you is what is pip. So pip is preferred installer program, and there are different kinds of pip. I'm also gonna tell you what is import. So let's just get started with the video. So go to terminal, new terminal. We'll just wait for some time because it just takes some time to load. Okay, yeah. So now here go and type pip install. Now I'll tell you few examples of pip of Python. The one I know is pywotkit. Other one is pytts x3, which is Python text to speech version 3. So right now I've already installed those two pip. What you can do is just type in pip install pywotkit and then enter, and it will install pip for you. But as you know, I have already installed this. It will say pip already recognized. Let's just wait. Close start button and click on the right click on your mouse. After you have done this, you can either go to Windows PowerShell admin or you can go to command prompt. We can just continue with command prompt right now. Let's just open Windows start menu. CMD, you just need to type CMD and it will directly open it. CMD command prompt, as you can see. Let's just wait for some time. Yeah, it just opened. Now what you need to do is you need to say pip. First you need to say Python to check if it is recognizing Python. Yeah, so now what you need to do is pip install pyttsx3 403. If there is an issue with that, you can just continue with the terminal of VS Code. If you don't know how to download VS Code, I have just linked the VS Code webpage on my channel. So yeah, let's talk about import now. So what is import? Import is something that is already in Python. Just a second, I'll connect the charger right now, because if the computer's battery dies, then it'll just take me more time to start it on. So yes, the charger is connected, and now I'll tell you what is import. So if you know, I'll give an example. I went to a shopkeeper and told the shopkeeper, give me 2 pencils because I want to complete my exam paper tomorrow. I want to write the exam paper tomorrow. So the shopkeeper would give me those pencils for some money. But here in Python, you don't need to give any money as it is open source. And now if the shopkeeper gives me pencils, now I can write my exam paper. But if I don't ask the shopkeeper for giving me pencils, how am I going to write my exam paper tomorrow? So for that, if I want to import maths in Python, yeah, it is true, you can import maths in Python. So just type in import and math. Done. That's all. C++ is a lot difficult in importing stuff, I think. Okay, after this let's print math.py and you will be able to see what it is, because if you know py, then you'll know what it is. To print math.py, I have not named any variable like this, so that is why it is not showing me a mistake in the code, because I have already imported math. Okay, I'll give you another example now. So for example, I went to a nursery, and I asked the gardener, or the person who is there at the nursery, to give me flowering plants. The person gives me the flowering plants for some money, and then now I can pot those plants in a bigger pot. So if I want to import something from the dictionary of Python, there are a lot of things in Python, so you need to import them before using them. So if I don't import math, then and save this, it would show me an error. Math.py not recognized. So I need to import math before doing before initializing it. So if I don't buy plants, flowering plants, how am I going to pot them? So let's just run it and see. Let's wait for some time. And Python takes some time. I'll just pause the video and show you. So as you can see, it first tells where the folder is located and python.exe. After that, it will show what I asked the code for. So I asked the code for printing py. I can print math.py. I can even subtract math.py, like I can subtract 2 minus math.py. That's even possible. So yeah, that's all. And one more thing about import. So there is one more thing. You might be knowing what is you can, like for example, pywotkit. Wait, let's just import pywotkit. Import pywotkit. Okay, we all know how to import stuff now, but pywotkit is written very long. So how do you shorten it? What you need to do is import pywotkit as kit, and you just need to type in kit. Look, okay, let's just save this and then do it. Kit dot play on YT or search. Yeah, that is true. I'll be putting all those types of things in my videos tomorrow and in some time. So kit.search python.org. So I do not need to type in the whole thing pywotkit.search. I can just type that and I'll just save it, and let's just run the code. It would open python.org on Chrome. It would take some time to load, but I'll just pause the video for saving your time. Not everyone has a lot of time, you know. Okay, it's opening now. Let's just wait. I'm not doing anything. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now it will open Chrome. Let's just wait for some time. As you can see, it is opening Chrome now on title Google Chrome. And let's just wait for some time. It's loading because sometimes it takes some time. Yeah, as you can see, python.org, and that is true. You can do that. Yes, I'll be posting that in a few days about all about pywotkit and other kits. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and like this video, please. It would be great. Thanks for watching. Bye.